Hello, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be performing a short skit on social welfare.
Whoa. Hi.
Hello Sai. Today we are going to be performing a social work.
Sure. Let's do anything. Come on.
Okay, but we have to go to a place to perform the social work.
Sure, but I'm too excited. You should tell me first what to do.
Okay, why not? I'll share my thoughts and ideas about social welfare.
Sure. Please tell me what to do.
We are students and it is our responsibility to perform good deeds. So hence we are going to be cleaning roads, footpaths and setting up campaigns.